How to switch from hosting your builder back to WordPress 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back to yet another video, and in this video we're going to be learning on how you can basically go ahead and switch from hosting your builder back to WordPress in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is, first of all, let's take, for example, you switched to the WordPress website builder, okay? And the WordPress website or the hosting your website builder is not working for you. You don't really enjoy it. It's not the best. So to switch things back, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to WordPress. You're going to go into plugins. Once you go into plugins, you're going to write WP all in one. That is all you're going to write in the plugins, and it was going to give you all-in-one WP migration, and this is exactly what you need. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the all-in-one WP migration on your WordPress, and what that will do is it will give your WordPress a importer, which will import data from other websites into WordPress. So you can move, transfer, copy, or migrate a WordPress site. So just use this to extract data from this web page. All you're going to do is you're going to give the URL for hosting your authenticate that it's your own domain, and once you do that, import the data, export it into your WordPress, and everything should be good to go. So that is how you can switch from hosting your builders back to your WordPress. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.